So myself Karunya and I'm going to present about my project. My project name is Location Profiling of Non-Geotagged Twitter using a temporal clustering. It's a machine learning project. I used a Python language in it. So these are my company details. I worked in a Spritel technology service and the company clients are Living Matrix, Freshworks, Modo, United Nations, Motorola, Showdown Live, Purebot, Stink, Reach, Health Plotter, Sitefly, DrDB, Geo Snapchat, GoodTreeTech and Sun Edition. Abstract of the project is to finding the non-geotagged tweets. Probably most people don't mention their location in the tweets, so it's hard to find their location of the hashtag where it gets trended. So this is a motto of the project to get find the non-geotagged uh, hashtags where it is getting trended. So I'm implementing the trained machine learning algorithm of SVM and inferred the country of the tweet to enhance the location based quality services from the tweets in the Twitter. So introduction of the project is social media impact on society is growing day by day with all the information floated on internet enable the business to provide the best services to customer. One service is a location based content or feature delivery. In Twitter, approximately 257 million mobile active users in monthly active users in the 2016, but in 2020 there are 330 million monthly active users and 145 million daily active users on the Twitter. But only 26% of the Twitter users random sample of over the 1 million users reported their location. Uh, but 0.42% of the tweets are sample were geotagged. Therefore, it is necessary to infer the location for Twitter users in order to attain the purpose of and to improve the quality of the location based services offered to the user. These are the system requirements and software and hardware requirements. Operating systems Windows 7, Python 3.6 and hardware requirements hard disk 500 GB, processor i3, RAM 4 GB. This is the existing system. In the existing system, they can't find the exact location of the hashtags, non-geotagged hashtags. So existing techniques for inferring location in social networks fall into two categories: those inferring a Twitter users' locations and those inferring location for tweets. Most of them infer location at the city level. So Twitter doesn't have any specific network-based approach to detect the non-geotagged tweets location. So problem definition is not all the tweets were geotagged. Assumption of the user locations will help to deliver best services. Manual interventions needed to geotag a user. Proposed system to overcome the fallback of the existing systems. We propose a machine learning based system to programmatically identify the user tweets. So here using SVM model to train the data set, and this model is used to predict the country of the origin on the tweets. So in literature survey 2011 outsourcing the decryption of ABE cybertext. In 2013 black box traceable CP ABE how to catch a people leaking their keys by selling a decryption device on the eBay. 2014 and VABKS and verifiable attribute based keyword search over the outsourced encrypted data. In architecture diagram, user can access a web interface. From the web interface, we are using a Twitter API to access the Twitter server. And from after accessing the Twitter servers, we will get some data. So we using a data collection in it. After using a data collection, we will get some unstructured data. So we using a cleaning and pre-processing to get the structured data. The structured data is goes through the SVM model machine to train the data, and the location inference for tweets is finding the location of the tweets where it's getting trended. Then it goes to the web interface. From the web interface we will get the graph display of the hashtags where it is getting trended. In activity diagram admin after the admin will go to the uh, a Twitter gathering. From the Twitter gathering, we use SVM model generations. From the SVM model generation, the trained data set will predict and result the presentation. Data flow diagram. User can access the Twitter. After the Twitter access, we using a cleaning and pre-processing. After the cleaning and pre-processing, we will get some cleaned data set. That data set get trained and tested. That trained and tested data set and classification regression is happening. After we will get the classification regression analysis, we will get some, it will go to the SVM model. From the SVM model, it will show the result to predict the location after show the output of the hashtags. In use case diagram, admin can access the Twitter gathering SVM model generation and prediction and result presentation. This is a sequence diagram. From the admin, we accessing the tweet gathering by using auth authentication. Auth authentication doesn't share the password. It is totally secure. So we using auth authentication to access the Twitter. After the tweet gathering to SVM model generations, we using a classification regression analysis. After the SVM model generations, we use a predictor result presentation to get the output of it. Here are the three modules used in my projects. That is tweet gathering, SVM model generation, prediction analysis. First one is SVM tweet gathering. The main usage of Python language because it contains a vast collection of machine learning libraries. So we are using auth authentication to access the Twitter. Uh, in the Twitter server generates the keys. These keys used to authenticate of program to access the Twitter server to search API to search tweets based on the contextual text. So in SVM model generation, SVM is a support vector machine algorithm to train our system. This is using some algorithm builds a model that assigns new example to one category or other. The systems are trained with the data sets and create the model for future prediction. In the prediction analysis, SVM trainer takes some directly proportional to size of data. Instead of training our module, each and every time it saves the trained module and use it for prediction. Here are the steps of data collection, cleaning and pre-processing. Data collection, cleaning and pre-processing means data collection is collecting the data from the Twitter. In the data cleaning process, we will get some unstructured data, so we have to clean it, replacing it, modifying, deleting and deleting the dirty of chorus data. Um, in the pre-processing, data pre-processing is important step in the data mining process. The phrase garbage in, garbage out is particularly applicable to data mining and machine learning projects. Data gathering methods are often loosely controlled, resulting in out of range values, impossible data combinations, missing values, etc. So we will get some unstructured tweets from the Twitter. After using this data collection, data cleaning and data pre-processing, before the data cleaning process, we will get the unstructured tweets. And after using data cleaning and data pre-processing, we will get some structured tweets. So using anaconda prompt, from that we will get some link. If we copy the link in the Chrome, we will get the output page of the project. It contains a login and register. In the register page, it contains a name, email, password, uh, password. After we give the register, it automatically generate the username and password in it. It contains a forget password option also. Then it after the login page, it will move to the next page. It's inferring location for tweets. If we search the hashtags in the search box, it will get the location of the hashtags which is non-geotagged also. So it will show the output in a bar chart form. That is in US the coronavirus hashtag is getting printed. It is included the non-geotagged hashtags. So that is my project is all about. Thank you.